Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to use integral test to do about this one. So if we use about integral test, that should be about the integration from number 1 to positive infinity. And this one will change for s. Now, we need to add about s. Later that we need to minus about s. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. S divided by s, we have number 1. So the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of s, and the second one, and we put the bounds from number 1 to positive infinity. So we have the formula So we need to transform this one into this one. So we can put the limit for this one. So I will put about 8 approach to positive infinity. That is for this one. Minus Ln of number 1 over 1 plus 1. So we can divide by 8 on numerator and denominator. When 8 approach to positive infinity, 1 divided by 8, you got number 0. Ln number 1, you got number 0 in here. So that means we just have only negative Ln of 1 over 2. Because we just calculate the exact value. That means this one should be about convergent. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.